By the end of this video, you will know how to import a make.com blueprint. Start by signing in to make.com and opening the scenario where you want to bring in the blueprint. This should be the scenario editor for the workflow you want to update. If you have several scenarios in your account, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct one before you continue. Once the scenario is open, move to the top right corner of the editor and click the three-dot menu. This opens the More Options menu for that scenario. From the drop-down list, choose Import Blueprint. That will open the import window where you can add the blueprint file from your computer. At this point, locate the blueprint file in JSON format. You can either browse your computer and select the file, or drag and drop the JSON file directly into the import window. If you are browsing manually, make sure you choose the correct blueprint file before moving on, especially if you keep multiple exports in the same folder. After selecting the file, click Open or Import, depending on the prompt you see. Make.com will then add the blueprint to your scenario. If the platform takes a moment to process the file, wait for the import to finish and for the modules to appear in the editor. When the blueprint is in place, the next part is configuration. Imported scenarios often need their app connections to be reattached, so go through the modules and reconnect any required services. Review the module settings as well, since some fields may need attention after import. This is the stage where you confirm that the structure came in correctly and that each module is pointing to the right connection inside your account. Once the connections and settings have been reviewed, test the scenario. Click Run once to check that the imported blueprint behaves as expected. Watch the run results closely so you can confirm that the modules execute properly and that there are no missing connections or configuration issues left unresolved. If the test run completes the way you expect, save the scenario. Then, when you are ready to start using it, switch the scenario on. Saving first ensures your imported setup and any connection updates are kept before activation. That full process takes you from opening an existing scenario to importing the JSON blueprint, to checking the configuration and confirming it runs correctly. If anything does not look right after the import, return to the module settings and connection prompts before turning the scenario on, since imported blueprints sometimes require that final review inside the destination account. Your Make.com blueprint is now imported, configured, tested, saved, and ready to run in your scenario.